Hey, what's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Vendetta 3S.
You must think first, right? Before you move.
Unboxing of it, because I've been wanting this car for a little while now. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna do a run. Starting on the outside of the box, you have 100 amp ESC, you have 3600 kV motor. It comes with the Spektrum 2.4 gigahertz DX3. You got the upgraded transmission. I don't know if it's, let's see, I don't know if this is a metal slipper clutch in here. I have to look over the manual. Let's break her open. Let's see what she look like. This one is the greeny green. Now let's see what we got in the box. Let's take the car out last. You get an extra spoiler, DX3 transmitter with the smart technology in it. You know, this lets you know the life of your LiPo battery. If you had a Spektrum battery, you could put that inside the vehicle and the controller can let you know if the battery's dying, how low it is. You got your basic trim, you got your steering, trim, your throttle trim, you got your brake rate, steering rate ratio. You got the limiter, the throttle limiter, 50% from 50, 75, and 100% throttle limiter. Also comes with the manual. Comes with some parts. You got the speed pinion in there. You got the L wrenches. You got the thing to take the tires off. I never had one that came like that. That's a little different for me. Got your speed pinion in there. I'm gonna just do a little run today. I'm not gonna, do no speed runs. Now here come the car. All right, here go the car. Let's take the plastic off. Wow, that thing look awesome right there. Yeah, here go the inside of it. See, it's gonna be a little dusty because I did a little quick run, but I had to, somebody wanted to see how it ran, so I said I'll put it on the road. I want to see how it run too. I kind of wanted you guys to see it before it got a little dusty, but hey, you can see it now. We have so many unboxings and reviews of the Vendetta now. I'm late in the game. You know, you got the fan on the motor. Got the, you know, the ESC. I got it nice and compact. I like how they did this. As for the body, still got some paper on it. As for the body, so far I noticed the body does this wing, gives it a little too much downforce. That's probably why a lot of people switch the wing out. But the body looks awesome. You got plastic drive shafts in the front. Got plastic drive shafts in the back. You got a sway bar front and back. You got shocks. You know, got shocks. I don't like the shock cap, but hey, I'll make it work. I never had a problem with my 3S line of shocks. I never had a problem with my shocks on my 3S cars anyway, so I don't have a problem. I never had a problem with the chassis, even though it's plastic. Let's see the underneath part. See, it's a little scratch. It sits a little low. But I'll probably lift that up. It's got a splitter. No, don't have a splitter. Look like it can take a splitter. It got a rear diffuser in the back. I like that red they put back there. You got the diffuser right there. I know how to work on, especially these 3S cars. So this car would be nothing for me to work on. The tires, I can see the tires. They look good. These tires look good. But as for wear, I hear a lot of stories about these tires wear out real fast. But you got to figure the power that this car is producing, you're gonna wear them tires out real fast. That little cushion they got in the battery tray, so you don't be bouncing around. But this is a street car, so you're not gonna be bouncing, you know, jumping and stuff. So it should be all right there. Well, I'm surprised they put the ESC on the side right here. Usually they put it on top of the receiver box, but I guess they decided to put it right there. This car is nice. They did a good, Arrma, they had a good line of cars. They just getting better and better. I'm gonna start off on the Hovo 5200 milliamp 80C battery. This is kind of a test battery when I first get a car to see where it's at, because this battery is strong but not that strong. Sometimes you put it, like with my Triton, when I put a stronger battery in there, a stronger C in there, that thing moves extra fast. So I'm gonna start off with this battery, a low level 3S battery. We're gonna start off on 50%. Yeah, this car got good handling. I'm doing one-handed, and I haven't yet full throttled it. Oh yeah, I like this. That is 50%. That is 50% right there. 75%. Let's go. Oh yeah, you definitely tell the difference on 75%. Definitely tell the difference on 75%. This is not enough room for this. Wow. Now let's throw it on 100% real fast just to get this out the way. Now we got on 100%. Wow. Yo, this thing is off the charts. Arrma, you did it again. I can't even halfway throttle it. Yo. I can't believe I can do this with one hand. It's my first time running this car. Oh, shit. Ouch. Yeah. Yo, I gotta get this some light. Yo, that's enough. I'm not gonna do no more. Yo, this car is a fucking beast. This car, yo, it got good handling. It's stable. I don't know how tough it is yet. You're gonna see that, but it's a street car, so you ain't gotta really check how it's durable. I mean, you do want it to be durable, but as far as I can see, this car is awesome. This is wow. This thing is a monster. I gotta do a speed test on this just to see where the speed is at. This car is wow. This is a wow. I know I better take it easy on the tires. I just gotta run it a little bit. I should have came out here earlier. I'd have had more time with it. But as always, definitely hit that like button. Definitely subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC. And I'll catch you on the next video.